शारदा शारदाम्भोजवदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं क्रियात्। शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करी यस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये। शास्त्राब्धिपारदृश्वानं सङ्गहीनन्तपोनिधिं भजे श्री भारतीतीर्थगुरुं भद्रौघदायकं। विद्याविनयसम्पन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्ततत्त्वज्ञं विधुशेखरभारतीम्। नौमि ब्रह्मविबोधिनीं नमुचिजिन्मुख्यामराणां ततेः भण्डाद्याशरखण्डनैकनिपुणा कल्याणशैलालया फुल्लेन्दीवर गर्वहारिनयनां मल्लीसुमालङ्कृता भक्तत्राणपरायणां भगवती भक्तत्राणपरायणां भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी 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 कमलाम्बा संरक्षतु मां श्री कमलाम्बा संरक्षतु मां हृत्कमला नगरनिवासिनी अम्बा कमलाम्बा संरक्षतु मां हृत्कमला नगरनिवासिनी। सुमनसाराधिताब्जमुखी सुन्दर मनःप्रियकरसखी सुमनसाराधिताब्जमुखी सुन्दर मनःप्रियकरसखी सुमनसाराधिताब्जमुखी सुन्दर मनः प्रियकर सखी कमलजानन्द बोध सुखी कान्तातार पंजर शुकी कमलजानन्द बोध सुखी कान्तातार पंजर शुकी कमल अम्बा संरक्षतु मां हृत्कमला नगर निवासिनी।
नमो नमः। सर्वेभ्योऽपि अस्य शरन्नवरात्रोत्सवस्य हार्दाः शुभाशयाः। अस्मिन् पुण्यसन्दर्भे परमपूज्यानां शृङ्गेरी श्रीचरणानाम् उभयजगद्गुरूणां चरणकमलयोः तथा च जगदम्बिकायाः शारदापरमेश्वर्याः पादपद्मयोः सविनयं सभक्तिश्रद्धं प्रणिपत्य गुरुवर्याणां जगदम्बिकायाश्च परमानुग्रहेण इमां हरिकथाम् अद्य प्रस्तोतुमुत्सहे। The topic of today's harikatha is Bhaktatrana Bhagavati. Now this phrase occurs in the Shri Rajarajeshwari Shodashi, a stotram composed by the 33rd Acharyal of the Sringeri Sharada Peetham, Paramapujya Jagadguru Shri Shri Sachidananda Shivabhinava Nrisimha Bharati Mahaswamigal. We commence this harikatha with one verse from that stotram. Now every last pada, every last quarter of every verse occurring in this stotram ends as Bhaktatrana Parayanam Bhagavatim Shri Rajarajeshwarim. This is the final pada of every verse occurring in the Shri Rajarajeshwari Shodashi stotram. Now what does this mean? Bhaktatrana Parayana Bhagavati. Tranam ityukte rakshanam. Evancha iyam Bhagavati Parameshwari Bhaktanam Trane Parayana Vartate. Bhagavati Devi is always engaged in protecting all of her bhaktas, in protecting and doing the samrakshanam of each of her bhaktas. Such is the Karunya and Bhakta Vatsalya of Devi Jagannmata. Now there is a beautiful verse. This verse has been often quoted by the Paramapujya Ubhaya Jagadgurus in many Anugraha Bhashanams. This verse is in the form of a question and answer, a prashna and an uttara. The verse starts as Apadi Kim Karaniyam. Apat Kale, Kashta Kale, Asmabhihi Kim Karaniyam. What is to be done by us during difficult times? And the uttaram is Smaraniyam Charanayugalam Ambayaha Tasyaha Jagadambikayaha Parameshwaryaha Jagadjananyaha Charanayugalam Smaraniyam. Those divine Pada Padmas of the Jagadambika are to be, the Smarana of those Pada Padmas are to be done. Now, Tat Smaranam Kim Kurute? Jagadambikayaha Charanayugalasya Smaranam Kriyate Chet Tat Smaranam Kim Kurute? And the verse says, Brahmadinyapi Kinkari Kurute. What do we beget by doing the Smaranam of Jagadambika's Charana Yugala? Well, this question itself is wrong. What isn't it that we get? Brahmadinyapi Kinkari Kurute. That Jagadambika destroys all our kashtas and also immensely blesses us with all that is our abhishta, all that is good for us and all that we desire. Now, during the Sharannavaratrotsava, it is very common to do the Parayanam or Shravanam of the Durga Saptashati, Devi Mahatmyam. Devi Mahatmyam, also known as Durga Saptashati. In fact, Jagadambika herself says in the Phalashruti of the Devi Mahatmyam that Sharatkale Mahapuja Kriyate Yacha Varshiki Tasyam Mamaitan Mahatmyam. that bhakta who mahatya shraddhaya bhaktya cha does the shravanam of mama mahatmyam, Devi says, the one who does the shravanam of this mahatmyam of mine, that bhakta shall immensely be blessed with all shubhas, all that is mangala. And in fact, Devi gives a list of all the shubha phalas that such a bhakta will beget by doing the shravanam of this Devi mahatmyam during the Sharanavaratrotsava sandarbha. Now, this Durga Saptashati Devi Mahatmyam is a part of the Markandeya Purana, and it consists of 13 chapters in total. Adya Jagadgurunam evancha Jagadambikayaha Anugrahena, we shall first start this Harikatha by covering Sankshepa Rupena the content of the 5th to 11th chapter of the Devi Mahatmyam. Broadly, this Devi Mahatmyam is divided into 3 sections: the Prathama Charitra, Madhyama Charitra and Uttara Charitra. Now, there are 3 main Katha Bhagas which are dealt with in the Devi Mahatmyam. Firstly, the annihilation of Madhu and Kaitabha, the Madhu Kaitabha Samhara, followed by Mahishasura Mardanam, how Bhagavati Parameshwari did the Samhara of Mahishasura. And the 3rd Charitra is how Devi Parameshwari, Chandika Devi, caused the Vinasha of Shumbha and Nishumbha, 2 Asura brothers, Asura Sahodarav, along with their Vishala Asura Sainya. So in today's Katha, we shall cover this 3rd Charitra, Shumbha Nishumbha Vadha, Sankshepa Rupena, Guruvaryanam Jagadambikayascha Anugrahena. Pura Shumbha Nishumbhabhyam Asurabhyam Shachipatehe Trailokyam Yajnabhagascha Hritamadabalashrayat. Pura Devasuranam Madhye Mahadekam Ghoram Yuddham Sanjatam Shumbhaha Nishumbhaha इत्याख्यौ 2 असुरभ्रातरौ देवान् पराजयितुं सविशाल असुरसैन्यं महदेकम् आक्रमणं कृतवन्तौ. प्रवृत्ते च तस्मिन् युद्धे देवसैन्यस्यैव पराजयः सञ्जातः. एवञ्च तत्पश्चात् सर्वेपि देवाः, सर्वेपि अमराः असुरैः स्वर्गात् बहिष्कृताः. एवञ्च यद्यद् अधिकारादिकं देवानाम् आसीत् तत् सर्वमपि बलाद् अपहृतम् असुरैः. All the devas were just thrown out of Swarga, they were just forcefully banished from Swarga, driven away, and all their adhikara, their posts, all of this was forcefully taken away by the Asuras who were led by their Raja Shumbha. Tadanim तादृशी महती संकटपरिस्थितिः सञ्जाता सर्वेषामपि देवानां, and wondering as to what is to be done. अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे अस्माभिः किं करणीयं, कथञ्चित् एते असुराः स्वर्गात् बहिष्करणीयाः, धर्मस्य स्थापनं पुनः करणीयमस्ति. ये अधार्मिकाः असुराः वर्तन्ते ते स्वर्गात् बहिष्करणीयाः. परं कथम् अस्माभिः इदं सर्वं क्रियते, किं करणीयम् अस्माभिः अधुना इति विचारे a thought occurred in the minds of all the devas. We started the katha with that shloka Apadi Kinkaraniyam Smaraniyam Charanayugalam Ambayah, and that is exactly what all the devas did at once, doing the smarana of that Jagadambika, that Bhakta Trana Parayana Bhagavati Sarvairapi Devaihi Tasyaha Jagadambikayaha Stutihi Krita.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता. This is a very famous padyam occurring in the Devi Mahatmyam. In fact, there are a series of Yadevi padyams sarvairapi devaihi jagadambikayaha stutihi krita. Ya devi sarvabhuteshu matrurupena samsthita buddhirupena samsthita shraddharupena kantirupena दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. पुनः 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 तस्याः जगदम्बिकायाः नमनं स्तुतिं च कृत्वा अन्ते सर्वैरपि देवैः एषा प्रार्थनापि कृता. हे जगज्जननी जगदम्बिका, भवत्या एव वयं सर्वेपि संरक्षणीयाः. भवती एव खलु भक्तत्राणपरायणा. भवत्या ते असुराः सर्वेपि स्वर्गात् बहिष्करणीयाः. एवञ्च धर्मसंरक्षणं करणीयं त्वया इति धनुजमतभञ्जनी धनुजमतभञ्जनीं धनधान्यसौभाग्यदायिनीं धर्मसंस्थापिनीं धनुजमतभञ्जनीं धनधान्यसौभाग्यदायिनीं धर्मसंस्थापिनीं दुर्गामाद्यान्तां श्रीविद्यां धरणिपालवरदामतीं प्रचोदयादु ललितां चिन्तयामि जगदम्बां चामुण्डाम्बां चित्तरञ्जनदिव्य कान्तिं चित्प्रभां चिन्तयामि जगदम्बां चिरामृतवर्षनयनां हर्षवर्षदां चन्द्रप्रभासमन्दहासवदनां चिन्तयामि जगदम्बां चामुण्डाम्बां चित्तरञ्जनदिव्य कान्तिं चित्प्रभां चिन्तयामि जगदम्बा. So all the devas do the chintanam, the smaranam of the Jagadambika and pray to her for her to protect them from this sankata paristhiti. That was when akasmat Parvati Devi, Shankara Yuvati Parvati Devi, Gauri Devi Parvati Devi happened to be passing by, and she noticed how all the devas were earnestly praying to the Jagadambika. Tadanimeva Parvati Devyaha Sharira Koshat, from the Sharira Koshas of Parvati, Bhattana Apurva Kachit Devi Samudbhuta. Now this Devi was Koti Surya Prakasha, just resplendent, brilliantly shining with that Divya Tejas of Koti crores of suns, and with that beautiful Mukha Kamala and Kamala Netras filled with Karuna Syandi, the flow of that Daya, that Karuna, and at the same time with that Gambhirya. After all, she is the one who is going to do the Shumbha Nishumbha and Asura Sainya Samhara. So that Devi
with that karunya as well as gambhirya, phattana Parvati Devyah sharirakoshat samudbhuta, yatohi sa devi samudbhuta sa devi sharirakoshat Parvati Devyah sharirakoshat samudbhuta, atah eva tasyaah devyah sharirakoshat samudbhuta iti kritva kaushiki iti tasyaah devyah nama sanjatam. तामिमां देवीम् अवलोक्य सर्वेषामपि सुराणां देवानां महान् प्रमोदः सञ्जातः. अहो ते सर्वे चिन्तयामासुः, अधुनैव खलु अस्माभिः जगदम्बिका प्रार्थिता, अनुपदमेव जगदम्बिकायाः दर्शनं लभ्यते, कीदृशी महती करुणा तस्याः भगवत्याः इति. Now, when these devas were doing the vandanam to Jagadambika, that was when Chanda Mundau Ityakhyau Dvau Asurau Shumbha Nishumbhayoho Bhrityau, two sevakas who were working under Shumbha and Nishumbha by the name Chanda and Munda. These two asuras were at a little distance and happened to notice this Apurva Kantimati Tejaswini Devi, Kaushiki Devi, Chandika Devi. Upon seeing her, Chanda and Munda were just wonderstruck. They were spellbound. Aho, ka esha apurva devi mahati tejaswini mahatya kantya bhasamana asti asyaah devyah vishaye anupadameva shumbha raja suchaniyah iti kritva. Both Chanda and Munda swiftly went to Raja Shumbha, Asura Raja Shumbha, and immediately said, Rajanna, you are Bhavan Trailokyadhipatihi. There is not a single Amulya Vastu, an Amulya Ratna that is not under your control. The Gajaratna, Airavata belongs to you, Ashvaratna, Uchchaishravas, Kalpaka Vriksha, Kalpaka Taru, all of these belong to you. Adhunaiva avabhyam kinchid apurvam stri ratnam drishtamasti. तादृशम अपूर्वं स्त्री रत्नम अदृष्टपूर्वम एवंच सापि देवी सापि स्त्री भवतामेव पत्नी भवेत् इति. Now upon hearing this, शुम्भस्य महान् सन्तोषः सञ्जातः. तदानीमेव तेन कश्चन दूतः देव्याः सकाशे प्रेषितः. शुम्भः at once sent a दूता along with a message to Devi. Now this Duta coming to Devi at first glorified the immense parakrama and sadgunas of his Swami Shumbha, and finally concluded by saying that, O Devi, such is the Mahan Parakrama of our Raja Shumbha, of our Swami Shumbha, and it is him who you should accept as your Pati, as your Bharta. Upon hearing this, Tadidam Vachanam Akaranya Mandasmita Bhagavati Devi Uvacha, Aho Pashyatu Satyam Tvaya Uktam. All that you said is indeed very true. Evameva Trailokyadhipatireva Shumbhaha. Your Swami Shumbha is indeed the Trailokyadhipatihi, Mahaparakramasali. But you see, Purvam Alpa Buddhya, without doing much vichara, without thinking, Alpa Buddhya, Maya Kachit Pratignya Krita. I ended up taking a Pratignya. What was that Pratignya? Devi says, Yo manjayati sangrame, Yo me darpam vyapohati, Yo me pratibalo loke, Same bharta bhavishyati. Yaha maya sakam yuddham kritva tasmin sangrame, tasmin yuddhe yomam jayati. The one who will defeat me in a yuddha, same bharta bhavishyati. It is him whom I shall accept as my bharta. Evancha esha pratignya alpabuddhya maya purvam krita. Ataha yadi Shumbhaha mama patihi bhavet, if Shumbha has to become my pati, then he will have to come and fight a battle, fight a yuddha with me and defeat me in that sangrama, in that yuddha. Now this Duta at once went and conveyed the message, this message of Devi to Shumbha, and upon hearing this, Shumbha was enraged. Mahan kopa sanjatah Shumbhasya किमिदं त्रैलोक्याधिपतिरहं सर्वेपि एते देवाः मया लीलया पराजिताः. Am I to go and fight a yuddha with that Devi? Thinking so, at once he summoned an asura, a pramukha asura, Dhumralochana, who was known by the name Dhumralochana, and ordered him to go and fight a yuddha with Devi and somehow capture her and bring her along. I am Dhumralochanaha, following the orders of Shumbha, at once went and there, upon seeing Devi at a little distance, started running. He just went charging towards the Jagadambika. Pada 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 and went charging towards her. But Jagadambika at first was extremely calm. She didn't do anything at first. And as this Dhumralochana came running closer and closer and closer, without even having to slightly move a single finger of hers, this Jagadambika, Durga, Parameshwari, Chandika Devi, what did she do? Hum Tavadeva Hunkarena tam bhasma sachakarambika tada. Hunkara matrena kevalam hum iti tena hunkara matrenaiva tam bhasma chakara. Tat kshanameva no one knew what happened to the Dhumralochana tam bhasma chakara Ambika. He had just turned into bhasma. And upon hearing this, Shumbha's fury knew no bounds. Immediately he sent Chanda and Munda, the very same two asuras who had first seen this Devi and had conveyed and had informed Shumbha about her. That very same Chanda and Munda, now accompanied by a huge Chaturanga Bala Sainya, came to perform a Ghora Yuddha along with this Devi. And that was when Bhagavatyaha Chandika Devyaha Lalata Phalakat Kali Devi Bhadrakali Samudbhuta. Chandika Devyaha Lalata Phalakadeva Bhadrakali Samudbhuta. Tatascha Tamimam Kali Devim Chandika Devi Tam Prati Uktavati. Kali Devi Bhavati Gatva Bhavatya Chandamundayoho Samharaha Karaniyaha Evancha Bhavatyaiva Adhuna Yuddham Karaniyam iti. So Kali Devi Tataha Agatya Bhayankara Rupena Kapala Malikanvita Sa Kali Devi Rakta Nayana Ghora Rupena Bhayankara Rupena Tatra Agatya Naikan Asuran Asura Sainyad Naikan Asuran Bhakshayanti Sa Kali Devi Tataha Anyan Asuran Leelaya Tikshna Khadgena Leelaya Anyesham Asuranam Anya Asuranam Shirashchedam Kritavati. Evancha Ante Chandasya Tatha Mundasya Chandamundayorapi Leelaya Shirashchedaha Kritaha Bhadrakali Devya. Tadidam avalokya Chandika Devyaha Mahan Pramoda Sanjataha. And that was when Chandika Devi, addressing Bhadrakali, said, Yasmat Chandancha Mundancha Grihitva Tvamupagata. Since you have done the Samhara so easily, Leelaya done the Samhara of Chanda and Munda, Hey Kali, Hey Bhadrakali, you shall henceforth be called with a very special Nama. What is that Nama? Chanda Mundau Bhadrakali Devya Tayoho Samharaha Kritaha iti Kritva Chanda Mundau Hatau Devya iti Kritvaiva Tasyaha Devyaha Shri Chamundeshwari Palayamam. Shri Chamundeshwari Palayamam. Kripakari Shankari Shrita Janapalini Mahabaladrivasini Mahishasura Mardini Shri Chamundeshwari Palayamam. Kripakari Shankari Shrita Janapalini Mahabaladrivasini Mahishasura मर्दिनी श्री चामुण्डेश्वरी पालय माम्। चण्डमुण्डौ भगवत्या हतौ कालीदेव्या हतौ इति कृत्वैव चामुण्डा चामुण्डेश्वरी इति देव्याः नाम सञ्जातम्। तत्पश्चात् तस्मिन् युद्धे भागं गृहीतुं नैकाः शक्तयः समुद्भूताः। देवात् नैकाः शक्तयः, several shaktis came emerged from several devas. For example, हंसयुक्तविमानाग्रे साक्षसूत्रकमण्डलुः आयाता ब्रह्मणशक्तिः ब्रह्माणीत्यभिधीयते। माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा त्रिशूलवरधारिणी महाहिमलया प्राप्ता चन्द्ररेखा विभूषणा कौमारिशक्तिहस्ता च मयूरवरवाहना योद्धुमभ्याययौ दैत्यान् अंबिका गुहरूपिणी। तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिः गरुडोपरि संस्थिता शङ्खचक्रगदा शार्ङ्गखड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ। Several shaktis, ब्रह्मण शक्तिः ब्रह्माणि, महेश्वरस्य शक्तिः माहेश्वरी, कौमारी वैष्णवी, ऐन्द्री वाराही नारसिंही। एवमेव एताः शक्तयः तत्तद्देव समुद्भूताः। एवञ्च यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यद्भूषणं यच्च वाहनं तद्वदेव एतासां शक्तीनामपि। Whatever was the rupa, the bhushanas and the vahana of the devas, those corresponding shaktis had that very same rupa, vahana and bhushanas. And so all these shaktis emerged and started taking part in the yuddha, and each of them brahmani swakamandaluna eva, maheshwari trishulena, kaumari shaktiyayudhena, evancha vaishnavi chakrena, aindri vajrayudhena, वाराही दंष्ट्रेण, एवञ्च नारसिंही स्वतीक्ष्णनखैः। एवमेव एताभिः सर्वाभिरपि शक्तिभिः असुरसैन्यस्य विनाशः एव कृतः। नैकाः असुराः एताभिः शक्तिभिः मारिताः। तस्मिन् सन्दर्भे एव भगवती चण्डिकादेवी decided to give one last chance to this Shumbha, Asura Raja Shumbha. And she decided to send a messenger from her side to convey a message to Shumbha. Now here is where, whom did she choose to send as her duta, as her messenger? Sakshat Parameshwarah eva, Sakshat Bhagavan Shivah eva दूत रूपेण देव्या चंडिका देव्या प्रेषितः। अतः एव यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवस्वयं शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिन् ततः साख्यातिमागता। Since Bhagavati Chandika Devi sent Sakshat Bhagavan Shiva as her Duta, this Devi Jagat-Janani got the beautiful Nama Shivaduti. Now Bhagavan Parameshwarah Tatra Gatva Devyah Sandesham Uktva. Devi's Sandesha was that, He Shumbha, Yadi Tvam Jeevitum Ichhasi, Tarhi Adhunaiva Idanimeva Swargad Bahirgatva Patalam Prati Gaccha. Anyatha, in case you don't wish to live, then you might as well come for Yuddha. Sa Sainyam, along with your Vishala Asura Sainya, you shall completely be destroyed. This was the message conveyed to Shumbha. Upon hearing this, Shumbha was enraged beyond limits. Nitaram Kupitasan Saha Shumbhaha Mahasuram Raktabijasuram Yodhum Preshayamasa. Now this Raktabijasura had a very unique property. Whenever a Rakta Bindu would would fall on the ground from his sharira, from the sharira of this Raktabindu, of Raktabijasura, yet another Raktabijasura's utpatti would take place from that very Raktabindu. Now this property of Raktabijasura would take place with every drop of blood that would spill out from his sharira. So one can imagine what a dushkara, what a difficult task it would be to do the samhara of such an asura. But what is impossible for that Bhagavati Durga Parameshwari? As soon as this Rakta Bijasura came to perform Yuddha with Devi, in no time, at first when all the Shaktis together performed Yuddha along with this Rakta Bijasura, within no time, with each Rakta Bindu falling off from his Sharira, the entire Bhumi was filled with several and several thousands of Rakta Bijasuras. That was when all the Devas were just, they did not know how is Bhagavati Devi going to do the samhara of this Asura. This seems to be endless. From every drop of blood, yet another Rakta Bijasura's utpatti is taking place. Katham Devya asya samharaha kriyate iti vichare kriyamane sati. What is impossible for this Jagadambika? She at once came up with an adbhuta yojana. She at once called Kali Devi, and the plan was that Kali Devi would, as and when a Rakta Bindu would spill and a Rakta Bijasura, yet another Rakta Bija's utpatti would take place, Kali Devi was to swallow all those Nutanataya Utpannaha Rakta Bijasuraha. And after swallowing all of them, there would come one samaya when the Mukhya Rakta Bijasura would become Kshina Raktaha. He would become Kshina Raktaha. He would have no Rakta anymore, and waiting for such a Sandarbha, Bhagavatya Chandika Devya tasyapi Raktabijaasurasya Mahasurasya Raktabijasyapi Samharah Kritaha, much to the delight of all the Devas and all the Amaras. Now finally, Nishumbha, the younger brother of Shumbha too, the samhara of Nishumbha too was performed, and finally Asura Raja Shumbha Swayameva Agataha. Tadanim, after having lost several of his Pramukha Asuras in this Yuddha along with Devi, Asura Raja Shumbha Tatra Agatya Devim Prati Uktavan. You see, hey Devi, you don't have to feel too proud that you have destroyed so much of my Vishala Asura Sainya. After all, you did all of this with the help of so many others. He was referring to the several Shaktis, Brahmani, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Ityadi Shaktis. That was when Durga Parameshwari told Shumbha a very, very important tattva. This verse from the Devi Mahatmyam, which we shall now render, is a very mukhya verse which occurs in this Durga Saptashati. Devi immediately addressed Shumbha and said, "Hey Dushta, what do you think? Do you think all of these Shaktis, there are several such Shaktis who exist independently? Ekaivaham jagatyatra, ekaivaham jagatyatra, dvitiya ka mama para, ekaivaham jagatyatra. Dvitiya ka mama para. What is it that exists apart from me? Mama para mad bhinna ka dvitiya ekaivaham jagatyatra. And saying so, all the Shaktis, Brahmani, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Aindri, Varahi, Narasimhi, all these Shaktis at once just merge within Chandika Devi. So this shows that Aikya, that it is that Jagadambika alone, sa eka eva jagatyatra. Now we shall come back to this mukhya vishaya, this important point, a little later in this Harikatha also. So saying so, all the Devis merged along with Chandika Devi, and that Jagadambika Durga Parameshwari was alone there. And Tadanim Anena Shumbhena Sakamapi Mahad Ghora Yuddham Sanjatam विविधैः आयुधैः तीक्ष्ण आयुधैः ठङ् 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 इति ध्वनिना पूरितो नभः। अन्ते च जगदम्बिकया दुर्गा परमेश्वर्या भित्त्वा शूलेन वक्षसि, शूलेन तस्य शुम्भस्य वक्षसि भित्त्वा तस्यापि असुरराज्ञः शुम्भस्य संहारः कृतः। सर्वेषामपि देवानां नितरां प्रमोदः आसीत्, महान् सन्तोषः। ते सर्वेपि अमराः जयघोषं कृतवन्तः, recalling how wonderfully that Jagadambika Bhaktatranaparaayana Bhagavati had done the samhara of Dhumralochana, of Shonita Bija. Shonita Bija ityukte Rakta Bija, and Shumbha and Nishumbha. All the devas just recalling how beautifully this yuddha was performed Leelaya by Durga Parameshwari. At once started doing the Jaya Ghosha as Ai Nija Hunkriti Matra Nirakrita Dhumra Vilochana Dhumrashate समर विशोषित शोणित बीज समुद्भव शोणित बीजलते शिव शिव शुम्भ निशुम्भ महाहव तर्पित भूत पिशाचरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. All the devas at once together did the Jaya Ghosha of that Devi and said, Ai Nija Hunkriti Matra Nirakrita Dhumra Vilochana Dhumrashate. O Devi, by just that Ai Nija Hunkriti Matra Nirakrita Dhumra Vilochana. The Dhumra Vilochana was wonderfully, the samhara of that asura was done just Hunkriti Matrena, just by that mere humkara. And subsequent to that, Samara Vishoshita Shonita Bija Samudbhava Shonita Bijalate. You also destroyed Shonita Bija, Rakta Bija with Adbhuta Ritya. And finally, Shiva Shiva Shumbha Nishumbha Mahahavatarpita Bhuta Pishacharate. Finally, you did the samhara of Shumbha Nishumbha, that those two brothers, Asura Bhrataru, who caused such a sankata paristhiti to all of us. So, hey Jagadambike, Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Jayatu Jayatu. So, all the devas evameva Jaya Ghosham Kritavantaha. And so, this Bhaktatrana Parayana Bhagavati protected all the devas once again from yet another Mahati Sankata Paristhiti. And in fact, towards the end, just as we all the devas, upon doing the stuti, upon doing the Jaya Ghosha of Bhagavati, finally Bhagavati offers to bestow upon the devas a vara. And that was when all the devas pray to her that, hey Jagadambika, you should continue to be that Bhaktatrana Parayana, you should continue to protect everybody, to protect this Triloka, from all sankatas, from all kashtas, always, sada, sarvadapi, bhavatya sarvepi lokaha samrakshaniyaha iti. And that Devi, that Karunakari Bhaktatrana Parayana Bhagavati, blesses them with this vara too. Now, this is the Uttara Charitra Sankshepa Rupena, the Uttara Charitra occurring in the Devi Mahatmyam. Now, this Sharan Navaratrotsava, Asya Utsavasya, Mahata Vaibhavena, Anekeshu Kshetreshu Sarvatra, Asya Utsavasya Acharanam Kriyate, Mukhyataha, Visheshataha, शृङ्गगिरिक्षेत्रे शरन्नवरात्रोत्सवसन्दर्भे अनेकविशेषकार्यक्रमाः प्रचलन्ति. At Sringeri, several Vishesha Karyakramas take place during the Navaratrotsava Sandarbha. It is during this Sharan Navaratrotsava that at Sringeri, Sharada Parameshwari is adorned with several beautiful alankaras. And here is where we had mentioned that we will come back to that point. Ekaivaham jagatyatra dvitiya ka mama para. When Devi says, what else exists apart from me? Ekaivaham jagati iti. When we see the beautiful alankaras of Sharada Parameshwari during the Sharan Navaratrotsava, this verse definitely comes to mind, because Sharada Parameshwari is the alankaras performed for Sharada Parameshwari are those very same Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, along with some other alankaras like Jagan Mohini, Rajarajeshwari, Chamunda, several such beautiful alankaras, each of which, once we start looking at that Parameshwari, it is just impossible to take our eyes out of that beautiful Adbhuta Rupas, Adbhuta Alankaras. And when we see that Sharada Parameshwari in the Alankara of Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Ityadi Alankaras, Ityadi Rupas, this verse comes to our mind, and we feel that how it is all these Rupas, Brahmi, Maheshwari, Ityadi, all these Rupas are all of them are Rupas of that very same Sharada Parameshwari, Parabrahma Swarupini, Brahma Vidya Swarupini, Sharada Parameshwari. Such is the Mahatmyam of that Sharada Parameshwari too. She is the one who is worshipped by Indradi Devas, and her Mahatmyam is something that is Uhapathatita. Jagadguru Sri Mahasannidhanam mentions that in one of the compositions, Uhapathatita Mahatmya Yuktam. Sharadamba's Mahatmyam is something that is beyond our Uha. Tamilla solluvom Uheki Yettada Vishayam, Uheki Atitamanad. Such is the Mahatmyam of that Sharada Parameshwari, as she is Indradi Devarchya Padam Bhujatam Ishitva Mukhyashta Siddhi Pradatrim Indradi Devarchya Padam Bhujatam Ishitva Mukhyashta Siddhi Pradatrim Uhapathatita Mahatmya Yuktam Mohandhakarapah Swabhidhanam Mohandhakarapah Swabhidhanam Shri Sharadambam Bhaje Shritakalpavallim Karunyavaranidhim Kalikalmashagnim Shri Sharadambam Bhaje Shritakalpavallim. Shri Shankaracharya Samsevitangrim Shri Shringagiryakhya Puryam Vasantim Shri Vagvibhutyadi Dana Pravinam Shri Bharati Tirtha Hrit Padmavasam Shri Bharati Tirtha Hrit Padmavasam Shri Sharadambam Bhaje Shritakalpavallim Karunyavaranidhim Kalikalmashagnim Shri Sharadambam Bhaje Shritakalpavallim.
This is a composition of Jagadguru Sri Sri Mahasannidhanam, and it is here that Acharya says, Uha Pathatita Mahatmya Yuktam, that Sharadamba's Mahatmyam is Uha Pathatita, and she is worshipped by Indradi Devas, and she is Shrita Kalpavallim, the bestower of all the Abhishta Varas to all of her bhaktas. And during the Sharannavaratrotsava Sandarbha, both the Ubhaya Jagadgurus Parama Pujya Ubhaya Jagadgurubhihi Shri Shri Mahasannidhana Shri Charanaihi Tatha cha Shri Shri Sannidhana Shri Charanaihi Asyaha Sharada Parameshwaryaha Pratidinam Puja Kriyate. An elaborate puja is performed by the Ubhaya Jagadgurus to each of these alankaras of Sharada Parameshwari every day throughout the Sharannavaratrotsava Kala. Now this Dine Iyam Puja Prachalati Ratrau Vishesha Darbar Karyakramaha Shringagirau Prachalati. The very famous Darbar Karyakrama takes place during the nights of all these, during the Navaratri Kala, the Sharannavaratrotsava Sandarbha. And it is during this Darbar that the Jagadguru Mahaswamigal is adorned with a Ratna Kirita and with a beautiful silk Vastra along with Ratna Khachita Bhushanas and with Suvarna Paduka. And in fact there is a beautiful history behind this Sampradaya. It was during Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal's time. The 12th Peethadhipati of the Dakshinamnaya Sringeri Sharada Peetham, Paramapujya Jagadguru Sri Sri Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal, Tesham Kale Harihara Bukkaraya Dvau Bhrataro Vishalasya Vijayanagara Samrajyasya Sthapanam Kritva. The two brothers had, after fighting against the Bahya Sainyai Sakam Mahadekam Yuddham Kritavantau Tadartham Matrabhumehe Samrakshanam Karthum Dharmasya Asmakam Sanatana Dharmasya cha Parirakshanam Karthum Etabhyam Harihararaya Bukkarayabhyam Mahadekam Yuddham Bahyehi Sakam Kritam. And all the Margadarshanam all the Margadarshanam and Anugraham that was needed to perform this Yuddha, all of that was, it was Jagadguru Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal who had blessed them immensely. And also subsequently Bhagavatim Bhuvaneshwari Devyaha Aradhanam Kritva, Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal himself did the puja to Bhuvaneshwari Devi, and as a result there was a huge Suvarna Vrishti which took place. And all the dhanam, the bhuri dhanam, taya vrishtya yadyad dhanam labdham, tat sarvam api mahad idam mahataha Vijayanagara Samrajya Sthapanartham, tat sarvam api dhanasya tasya sarvasyapi dhanasya prayogaha kritaha. Evancha, because it was fully due to the Anugraha and Margadarshanam of Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal that the Vishala Vijayanagara Samrajya Sthapanam took place, Kritagnyata Purvakam, it was these two Rajas, Harihara and Bukka, who had Kritagnyata Purvakam with immense Shraddha and Bhakti, had offered all of these Rajopacharas to Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal. And Vidyaranya Mahaswaminaha, and in fact all the Jagadgurus of this Peetham are Parama Vairagya Nishthas and Sarva Sangha Parityaginaha Sarvepi Jagadguravaha, but only due to that Bhakta Vatsalya of theirs, for Bhakta Santoshanartham, Vidyaranya Mahaswamigal accepted those Rajopacharas. And it is during the Sharannavaratrotsava Kala from Mahaswamigal's time that the Jagadguru Mahaswamigal adorns this Ratna Kiritadi and the Darbar Karyakrama takes place. The entire atmosphere is just filled with divinity during that Darbar Karyakrama Sandarbha. And the Mahaswamigal does the Pradakshinam thrice facing Sharadamba, who is present on that beautiful Swarna Ratha. Subsequent to that, the Parayanam of Devi Mahatmyam Durga Saptashati takes place, followed by a Mangala Arati, and then the Ashtavadhana Sevas performed to Sharadamba, subsequently concluding with yet another Maha Mangala Arati of Sharada Parameshwari. Now,
it is our parama bhagya to have the darshanam of the Sharada Parameshwari and also of the Jagadgurus who are Pratyaksha Sharadambal. The Jagadgurus of this Peetham, all the Jagadgurus are Sakshat Sharadambal. Sharadambal is in fact known as Guru Rupini, Deshika Rupini. It is she who comes in the form of the Jagadgurus to bestow upon us with all the grace and Marga Darshanam. So all that we have to do is hold on with Mahatya Shraddhaya Bhaktya cha, hold on to that Divya Charana Kamala of the Jagadgurus and the Jagannatha, and that is enough. That itself will bestow upon us all our abhishtas. And this is what beautifully Bhagavad Padacharya tells in one of the verses of the Saundarya Lahari. It would be incomplete to finish this Harikatha without rendering at least one verse from the Saundarya Lahari, an Adbhuta Rachana Stotram of Jagadguru Srimad Shankara Bhagavad Padacharya. In the 4th verse, Acharya says, Tvadanyaf Panibhyam Abhayavarado Devataganaha Tvamekanaivasi Prakatitavarabhityabhinaya Bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vanchasamadhikam Sharanye lokanam tava hi charanaveva nipunau Sharanye lokanam tava hi charanaveva charanaveva nipunau Sharanye lokanam tava hi charanaveva charanaveva nipunau. Acharya says, O Jagannatha, all the devas, in order to bestow upon Abhaya and Varada, in order to bless their devotees with varas and also to free them from their kashtas, what do all the devatas do? They show the Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra. Through their karas, through their hastas, they show the Abhaya and Varada Mudras. But hey Parameshwari, hey Devi, it is only you who are always not showing the Abhaya Varada hastas. Now why is that so? Doesn't Devi have to show the Abhaya and Varada hastas in order to protect her devotees and to bestow upon them all their abhishtas, in order to bestow upon them several varas? Well, Bhagavad Padacharya says that is not required. Bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vanchasamadhikam. In order to protect the devotees from bhayatratum, in order to protect the devotees from kashta paristhithis, and phalamapi cha vanchasamadhikam, in order to bestow upon them much more than what they even desire. What is it that Devi does? In fact, she doesn't have to show any Abhaya and Varada hastas. Sharanye lokanam tavahi charanaveva nipunau tavahi charanaveva nipunau charanaveva nipunau. The Charana Kamala of Devi is sufficient to protect all her devotees and to bestow upon them all their abhishtas. So she doesn't have to show any Abhaya and Varada Mudras. That Pada Padma, the Divya Charana Kamala of that Bhagavati and of the Jagadgurus who are Sakshat Sharadambal, that itself is sufficient. What is it that Jagadgurunam Jagadambikayascha Sankalpa Matrena Kim Bhavitum Narhati? Such is the Mahatmyam of that Parameshwari and the Jagadgurus. Punaha, we offer our Anantakoti Namaskaras to Sharada Parameshwari and the Jagadgurus and pray for their Marga Darshanam. Sarvesham api lokanam guruvaryanam jagadambikayascha paramanugrahena samasta sanmangalani bhavantu iti prarthayitva esha harikatha jagadgurunam jagadambikayascha charanakamalesu sabhakti shraddham samarpyate. Mangalam
वरऋष्यशृङ्गनगरवासिनी मङ्गलं सुरत्नभूषणालिभासिनी मङ्गलं वरऋष्यशृङ्गनगरवासिनी मङ्गलं सुरत्नभूषणालिभासिनी दन्तकान्ति निर्धुताच्छ कुन्दडम्बरे शान्तचित्तः सेव्यमानपादपङ्कजे शङ्करार्य रचितदिव्य चक्रमध्यगे किङ्करायितामरेन्द्र मुख्यदेवते पादनम्र लोकसर्वकाङ्क्षितार्थदे मोदमक्षयिष्णुमम्ब देवी शारदे मोदमक्षयिष्णुमम्ब देवी शारदे मोदमक्षयिष्णुमम्ब देवी शारदे